Catch a wave of refreshment with nature's own elixir, coconut water. Not only does it quench your thirst, but it also packs a powerful punch of benefits for your body. Known as an aphrodisiac, it's believed to boost vitality and strength, making you feel invincible. Feel the heat. Coconut water is here to cool you down. It's like a gentle breeze on a hot day, bringing relief and rejuvenation. And the best part? It's light on your stomach, making it an ideal go-to drink after that intense workout or a long day at work. But wait, there's more. It's not just about cooling down and energizing. Coconut water is a natural diuretic, helping to cleanse your urinary bladder. Say goodbye to toxins and hello to a healthier you. Feeling drained? Coconut water is your ally in combating exhaustion. It provides nourishment, filling you with energy and vitality. So the next time you feel life's getting a bit too much, remember to sip on some coconut water. It's nature's way of saying, I've got you covered. So go ahead, take a sip and experience the magic of coconut water.